our lesson, actually I might run back into those slides, running down here to when we did this last week. So this was our little, I'm going to try to copy this whole thing. This was our little trick for what we need to remember, right? That I'm going to try to get that whole box. That 4-step process that if you need to, write that down again, right? So the first thing we do is make them improper. Then we want to keep, change, flip it. Then we want to analyze our signs. And then we want to solve, right? Do the multiplication. I'm fighting the good fight with technology, guys. All right, so we write down the original problem. -3 1/2 divided by -5/8. Our first step there is make improper, right? My -3 halves, or 3 1/2. I'm going to do 2 times 3 is 6. Add it to 1, 7 over 2. The negative can go wherever we want. So we can put it on top, on bottom, or out front. On top is the better choice. You guys can't see what I'm writing. So to make this improper, we did our 2 times 3. Then we added it with the 1. We kept the negative in the top because it's just better that way. Now, what's our second step? We keep, change, flip. So -7 over 2 times 8 over -5. I normally write KCF in here. Now I will allow us to not work down. Instead, we can work left to right because with multiplication, we work straight across and straight across. So it kind of makes sense to continue to work straight through. -7 times 8, -56. 2 times -5, -10. Now I actually broke my own rule. I did not think about the signs yet. What happens when I have a negative times another negative, or a negative divided by a negative? My answer is going to become positive. So I'm going to get positive 56/10. And then we know that's reducible, right? So they're both even numbers. I'm going to drop down to do my reduction down here. So if I divide them both by 2, 25 plus 6 divided by 3, or 6 divided by 2, sorry, is another 3, so 28. I don't think 28 and 5 share any common factors, so I think this is as reduced as we get. 28/5. Any questions on that process from making it improper to then applying keep, change, flip to flip our second fraction, multiply straight through, and simplify or reduce out your answer by dividing by a common factor.